Hello everyone, biggest problem in solving the last layer is to make this plus, because if you see these are yellow but these are not, which means, and you can have this in many order. You can have a line over here and yellow over here and not matching over here. It doesn't matter what part, or you could have is all four of them are not yellow. That is very much the possibility. Now how to make these go up and not mess our first and second layer? So it's very much simple. Might look a bit tricky, but if you look closely you will know what exactly I'm doing. I want to make this go up, so I'll just focus on this piece right now and not worry about my cube at all. Right, so what I'll do is, so you can start from the piece which you want to change. I can start from over here, so I'll choose this one. What I'll do is I'll bring it down for a while. That means I rotated it this way, and now if you see, if I rotate it this way, problem solved, right? But not, we have a situation over here, and to solve this situation comes the second part of the moves. So on a temporary basis, this particular bus, these two pieces, I know they belong over here, but for now I'll put it with this side, with this orange, and I'll let them go down. Temporarily I have just moved this part to this part to make sure my yellow is turned. See this another yellow which is not done. Now I want this yellow to come to this piece, means this which is between this and this. I want it to be over here. Why, you will see in seconds. Now again, this one also needs to be changed, so I'll focus on this one right now. But always remember, before this what I did was I went towards right. So right now I won't go towards right. I have to reverse what happened. I have to reverse this and bring it back over here, and make this particular part where how it was. So to reverse it, I'll have to do it opposite. So this one will go towards my left, and again the same thing, I'll put it up. See, problem solved. And once this is solved, I'll focus on this one. Do you remember this part, this piece which I put temporarily over here have come up, and now I'll just put it back where it was and bring it down. See, our second layer is as it was, and our top layer has the two of the side of up yellow. Thank you for watching the video.